One family, father, mother, and his son. Second one, fruit seller. Third one is beggar lady and his son. Next one, old man and he has poor health. Okay. Once upon a time, in one village, living one family, father, mother, and their son Rahul. Rahul is a kind-natured and disciplined boy. He respects elders and always helps the needy. Every day they are praying. They are praying to the God in the morning. One day, Rahul's father said to Rahul to bring for puja. His father to get the fruits to the fruits of people towards his house. He also observed that the child was when Rahul reached them, requesting him to give banana. Quickly tore 3 bananas from the bunch and gave them to the kid. He said thanks to Rahul and they went to resume his walk towards his poor and weak had no energy to him to ask. That old man told to Rahul, starving since past 2 days. Rahul saw. Rahul gave him away. Everyone was delighted to see the banana and all. Old man felt happy. The old man turned towards gratefully. Rahul hands waiting for the banana delay. Where have you been, Rahul? Why can't I see any fruit? Angrily and shouted on Rahul. He told her to donating the banana. He met on his way home of his kindness and felt very happy. He appreciated Rahul for his